Top 5 Windows apps you should be using right now. Translucent TB. Translucent TB offers you control over the appearance of your taskbar. It's a lightweight utility that makes the Windows taskbar transparent on Windows 10 and Windows 11. You can choose to have a taskbar appearance that matches well with the visuals of your PC. With this app, you can have a customizable taskbar that suits the theme of your Windows OS. Aqua Snap. If you have multiple monitors or like to have a lot of windows open at the same time, this app is a lifesaver. It's basically the Windows snapping feature on steroids. You can split your desktop, snap windows, stretch windows quicker, move windows together in a group, make windows stay on top even when you click away, add customizable keyboard and mouse shortcuts to take your multitasking to the next level. Mic switch. There are dozens of different audio chat apps like Discord, TeamSpeak, Skype, in-game audio chats, etc. All of these apps have different push-to-talk features. This is where the mic switch comes in. It allows you to mute or unmute your system microphone using a predefined system-wide keyboard shortcut which will affect any program that uses your microphone. You can instantly mute and unmute yourself no matter which app you're using. Paint.net. If you're looking for a free and simple yet functional drawing and image editing software that is for casual users, then look no further than Paint.net. Don't let the name fool you. It's not anything like Windows Paint or Paint 3D. With a wider range of tools and even more features, this app is perfect for editing graphics on your computer. The app also has a huge community of active users who have shared plenty of plugins to make the app work better. Microsoft To Do. Microsoft To Do provides the simplest and cheapest way to track your tasks and projects. It will take your productivity levels through the roof. The app even features a small suggestions feature that will recommend the most important tasks you need to complete first, so that you know you won't miss out on important tasks while focusing on something else. Microsoft To Do is a great Windows 10 or Windows 11 app that will allow you to increase your productivity and simplify day-to-day tasks.